Now look, so he put his arm down, right? Okay. I'm gonna wrap it, and I begin to walk back, okay? Right, and I'm gonna re-wrap it right here, okay? As I keep the pressure here with my left elbow and my rib and my biceps. So this is just pressure pinching. This is me wrapping right here. I control that shoulder, so I can put both feet on his hips, okay? From here, okay? I gotta do something with my right hand. I don't wanna be just here like going, you know, I gotta do something. So maybe I'll readjust it here, okay? But here it's nice and tight. So where do you feel it?
On the wrist.
On the wrist. So I'd probably keep it right at that elbow, so I could roll that elbow. They'll lift the hip. Where'd you feel it? On the wrist. So look, I'll rotate it this way here, and then I'll start torquing it this way here. Where'd you feel it?
Still on the wrist.
Still on the wrist, okay. That's a shoulder. Okay, look, I keep pushing him away. Where are you feeling it now? Wrist. Look. That's neck. Where do you feel that? Wrist. So you see, I think that your real objective should be just to lock them up in a triangle. And on the way, like a triangle is the entree, and then all these are just hors d'oeuvres or appetizers. Okay? So your main course is triangle. Because when you set this up here, look, so we're here, some postures up here, let's say, look, like I got a tool, I want to go out this way. Pull it out right here. So triangle, okay? And then lift the hip up, okay? Does that make a difference for you? Okay, good. Phil, is he here? No. Oh, here. So also, when he grabs right here, I think I showed you guys this here. He has two right here, and I wrap it up this way here. Yeah. So I have him in a handcuff with. Yeah. From here. You pull it out?
Nope.
Can you push it in?
Nope.
So here it's attached to my chest and my lapel. If he starts pulling it out, it's all lapel right here. Look, you have a triangle here, but this is like even a shoulder lock triangle right here. So you wrap it. If you're right to right, you got to wrap it over. Okay, back to the guard. You want it right to right. You got to wrap it over. If you want it left to left, you wrap it under. This is really nice and tight.
Yep.
Right here, okay? Because it's attached literally to your lapel. So as he pulls it, it's twisted up, but it's hard to re-twist it to get it back right here. And as I begin to get this with the key lock, I go this way here. Here. And the arm, he's got his wrist crossed. Okay? So you could try this Gregorian handcuff. Look, he grabs right here, but you just have to have enough. Like, right there. And now, same thing right here. Look, if he pulls, see how he pulls right here? He's pulling on this. And this is completely like this. Keep pulling, pull, right there. And as he does this, your hips come up, your hands got to go somewhere. So you want to keep bending this here as you lock this up right here. Finish it here. I don't think you can even. Oh, yeah. Sorry, sir.
Now you're good.
Okay. Even if they pass. Okay. even if he passes that way. See how hard it is to even do much with this right here?
Did you throw your leg in it for another?
Oh,
You go the wrong way, you're gonna pop
you
your
go the
wrist.
wrong way, your wrist is
Yeah, you're
broken.
done, dude.
Broke out. But we'll cover that another time. So that's the handcuff, okay, guys? So the triangle is the objective. 1, 2, 3. But let's start rolling so that we can